Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will tell you some of the useful iPhone tips and tricks that I'm guessing that you don't know. And also tip number 4 and 7 is my favorite in the list. So do check the video till the end. So let's dig right into it. First being a very basic one. If you like me and you have tons of alarm and you're tired of removing them one by one, so you can do this small trick by just saying hey Siri and tell Siri to delete all of your alarms at once. And after that, as you can see, all your alarms are pretty much gone. Very cool, right? Next tip is very useful one and a very handy one too in difficult situations where you need to weight things like small things that can be a remote charger, anything. So I got this amazing website called touchscale.com. I will put the link below just for you guys. And also this video is not sponsored by them. So yeah, I just found this website and I found it to be very cool. So that's why it's here. So just don't put any glass material on it as it will not recognize that. But other than that, anything like literally anything that fits over your phone, you can see the weight of it. And also you can use this website even on Android. On number 3, I have full page screenshot. I'm thinking that you might have heard about this, and if not, here you go. So let's say you're going through a website in Safari and you want that whole website, and you know that this website is damn important for you and you want to share it by making it a PDF. So what to do? Well, just take a single screenshot and after that press on that single screenshot, and then inside you will see this new window by saying full screen. Just press on it, and now when you scroll down you will see that whole website is just made in one file. So what you have to do? Just press on top of it and then just press on save that file and make a PDF of it. And then from the files, boom, you can access it whenever you want to, and it's that simple and convenient. And you can share this PDF with literally anyone because it's in your file now. You must know this feature from where you can hide your photos, and then whatever photo that you have hidden will show in this album. But then still it's not hidden. I hope you're getting my point. You still have a folder of it inside your photos. So what to do? What to make it hide genuinely, like where no one can see it? Well, that is very easy. You just head over to settings and scroll down until you see photos and open that, and you will see this option of hidden photos. It will be enabled right now. Just disable this and head over to your photos back again, and then you will find out that your hidden folder is gone. Yep. So there you go. All your photos are now safe. And as always, you can get that folder back by enabling that option again. So this tip can literally save life for many, like especially for us youngsters. So yeah, do check this out. On number 5, Siri can actually help you listening whatever sound you like or wanna hear. Like seriously, it can be of anything. Guitar, boom, lion, cat, dog, cheetah, elephant, car, well, like literally anything. You just need to say how this XYZ thing sound. That's it. So pick your phone up, say hey Siri, how does this thing sound? And yeah, boom, there you go. A very small tip, but I found it to be a very cool one too. Do you know that Siri can actually change the voice? Like you just have to say hey Siri, change your voice, and then it will show you this option. Just press on it and now you can choose whatever voice you like. You have many options to choose from. Like here are some samples.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And not only that, you can also choose the accent, which is like so damn good and a very useful tip too. So as an Indian, I went with an Indian accent. So you get my point. It's a very good thing that Apple is offering right now. So you can try it out for yourself. Last tip that I'm sure you guys wouldn't know about is Instagram lyrics. Let's say you want to post a story on Instagram, sharing which song that you're listening right now. Like, well, you can select the particular lyrics for that song. How, right? Let me show you this. So just choose a song of your choice from Apple Music. Just press on that lyrics, like long press, and then whatever line of that song that you want, heading to your stories, just long press on it, and then you will see this Instagram sharing option. And wait, there you go. Just post this and you will see that on top of your music album, you will see that lyrics that you have long pressed on. And boom, now you can show your emotion or your favorite line with that song, and well, there you have it. I hope you like this video, and I've tried to do my best in this limited time, and I hope it helped you guys. And do let me know if you did know anything about this, and subscribe for more. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye. How does the elephant sound?
Here's an elephant.